Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to commit give me change for presentation this paper. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Nawati. I am the first author of this paper and I'm going to present our newest article with title Warning System Designed to Detect Suspicious Activities in a Network. And this research is being done by me and my friends, Mr. Agustiniana, for the third International Conference on Applied Science and Technology. Introduction. The data or information is private and very important, so that requires security. The use of network internet today is increasingly widespread. It is not just used for individuals, but also take well to the organization, institution, or company to convenience the mutual exchange of data and information. During the years 2019, detect around 290.3 million attacks cyber to the network internet in Indonesia. In November and December, this figure is still much higher than in 6 months, was in the 2019. One of which is the cause of the high offensive cyber because the event is sure to involve many people. For example, in October to coincide with the appointment of the President and Vice President of Indonesia, new period 2019 until 2024. Ideas to perform detection of attacks to minimize the risk and to make prevention. Intrusion detection system is responsible for detecting the action or matter which relates to a system that is not able to receive an activity network is suspicious and will give a warning to the exploiter that has been going on the attack on the network is. Most intrusion detection systems use a single set of sign hand that defines that have accurate actions or things that are suspicious in network traffic. The method that is used in the design of the intrusion detection system is prepare, plan, design, implement, operate, and optimize. An overview of the PPDIOO method can be seen as follows. On the prepare, done collecting the needs of the business of the organization, make a strategic network, and propose the architecture of high level. The stage plan identifies the needs of the network in accordance with the characteristics and ratings are carried out and do the analysis of jack. The stage design, which is to design the network with regard to availability, reliability, security, scalability, and performance. Stage implement a level 2-4 that makes installation and configuration of the device is new without disrupting the network that already existed before. The level of the 5 that make the management of networks such as monitoring, maintenance, and upgrade devices are called stage operate. The level of the last is the optimize, is doing anything proactive management of the network to identify issues and resolve them before a problem that affect the network. In the research that has been done, using the type of intrusion detection system based on the host intrusion detection system. This is a architecture host intrusion detection system. Based on the description of the architecture of the network, demonstrate that the intrusion detection system has a role important in monitoring the flow of traffic across the exit sign from the network. Each packet is incoming to the network that has the defense intrusion detection system will pass the inspection. Host intrusion detection system monitor specific hosts so that more can see the many activities that are available in a host, such as to see whether on a host that there is activity, port scans, malware, or any vulnerability on a host it, with how to monitor log that is signed by the host is. Each packet of data entry will be checked by a snort to be sorted in accordance with the rules database. That includes attack TGOS, port scanning, or SQL injection. Then Snort engine will give a warning to the administrator via boot telegram. This is the process is done in building the system. The steps of this study are as follows. Step 1, requirement. The collection of data is done in research. This is to find out information about the analysis of the needs of the system. Analysis of the needs of the network, the analysis of functional and process works nodes. Step 2, designing network architecture development. Planning architecture network that will be used as infrastructure in developing intrusion detection system includes determination intrusion detection system on the server based on the type of intrusion detection system that use the host intrusion detection system. Step 3, system development. The level of this is beginning to do the installation of the various needs of devices that will be used in the system intrusion detection system. It starts with installing Ubuntu OS 18 on the server, continuing with the process of installing the package snort and swatch to monitor the changelog on snort, followed by manufacturing boot telegram via account at bootfather. Step next is the configuration snort on file snort. To choose rules that will be used in detecting the attack, after it also configures file swatch to insert an API to send a notification to the Telegram. Step 4, intrusion detection system testing. In the process of testing, the detection of intrusion is intended to determine whether the snort can detect attacks that are entered by rules that have been created. Until the attack, which entered can be saved to the database for later use as a source of data for the notification that will be sent to the administrator. The last step, Telegram notification testing. This stage becomes the benchmark of whether the system being built is in line with what is expected. In the process, it will do tests to try attack intrusion on the server so that when there is an intrusion of successfully detected by Snort, triggering a trigger that will call the engine bots to send notification to the administrator via bot telegram. Conclusion. The focus of research in the paper is more to designing a system to detect intrusions with output in the form of record activity intrusion on the database and also notified via Telegram with the hope that later can be implemented into a system that is intact. Thank you for listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.